In this question, we are given x square minus 2 is less than 0, and we need to find out which among these options specifies all the possible values of x. So that's the question. Now let me take this over here to the right hand side. So I get x square less than 2, right? Now if x square is less than 2, then x is either less than root 2 or x is greater than minus root of 2. So this is something that you should know, right? Again, because this is a very common thing. Now let me show this on a graph how this looks so that you can easily understand it. Now over here we have the number line. This is 0, this is root 2, and this is minus root 2, right? Now if x square is less than 2, then you need to find a value between root 2 and minus root 2. So x has to be between these two. So looking at it in terms of the number line will help you to remember it, right? So if you take some value over here like minus 100, you can see that when you square it, you will get 1000, right? You'll get 10,000. So this is not going to be true. The same thing holds true over here also. If you take 100 over here, you will get 10,000 when you square it. So that's why you need a value in between root 2 and minus root 2. Therefore, the correct answer is minus root 2 less than x less than root 2. Now let's look at what is being tested over here. This is a question based on inequalities and it's based on square roots, right? You should know that if y square is less than 25, for example, then y is either less than 5 or greater than minus 5. Again, less than 5 means on the positive side, right? So on the number line, it's this area over here, the area between minus 5 and plus 5. If you go beyond this to the left or to the right, this criteria will be violated. Now, if you have z square is greater than 25, how does that play out? Z has to be greater than 5 or z has to be less than minus 5. Again, on a number line, it will look like this, right? If this is 5 and minus 5, you need to go further left or further right for this criteria to be satisfied. So you should know both of these, all right? Even though this question only tests this part, you should know both of them. Now, do subscribe to the channel to get notified when I release the next video, and check out the description to know more about my other GMAT programs. All the best in your GMAT preparation.